Did you search for Sinhala on Duolingo?
And come up empty?
You're not alone. Despite being spoken by over 20 million people worldwide, Sinhala is still not supported on Duolingo. But don't worry, today we'll show you how to learn Sinhala right now. Duolingo is known for teaching multiple languages, including Klingon and High Valerian. Still, Sinhala is nowhere to be found. That's because Duolingo only want to focus on popular languages. This has created big challenges for learners, especially heritage speakers and second-gen learners. Without accessible learning tools, many felt disconnected from their language and culture. It's frustrating when a popular app leaves a language out like that. But here's the good news. The Ling App has you covered. It's one of the very few apps that offers a full structured language courses. And it goes beyond basic flashcards. Native speaker audio, dialogue based on real-world situation, interactive lessons that make learning fun. Ling have everything Duolingo doesn't for Sinhala. It's built with real cultural and linguistic respect. Whether you're reconnecting with your roots, prepping for a trip, or learning for love, Ling makes it possible. So instead of waiting for Duolingo to maybe add Sinhala someday, start learning today with the Ling app. Click the link in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching, and please do give Ling a try.